to dive in the world of this beauty clay. But what's your plan? Multani Mitti is a versatile skincare gem that caters to all skin types. It's just that we have to combine it with other effective ingredients for the target skin type. So, friends, here I am for the exact help. I will be sharing with you 3 unique face pack recipes tailored for diverse skin types. But friends, before moving further, I would recommend you all to watch this video to identify your skin type first. Now let's come back to our first face pack, which is for oily skin. For this, we will need Multani Mitti, which is a well-known natural ingredient for skincare due to its oil control properties. Then we have neem powder, then the rose water, and the tea tree essential oil, helpful for acne prone skin. Friends, we are taking rose water because it will balance the oil production and has a soothing effect on skin. And if we talk about neem powder, it has an antimicrobial properties. Let's start and see how to make this pack. Start with taking 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti. In that, add 1 tablespoon of neem powder, then add 1 tablespoon of rose water, few drops of tea tree essential oil. Now start mixing all these ingredients. If you find it hard in mixing and it looks like a little thick, then please add little amount of water to it and then try to make a paste. You will be getting this texture. Next pack is for the dry skin. Again, we'll start with the ingredient Multani Mitti. Then we have to mash this banana. This will condition our skin very well. Then we'll take honey, which is good in retaining moisture in the skin. Then we have curd, which will give soothing effects on our skin and also acts as an additional moisturizer. With all these 4 ingredients, let's see how to make this pack. Again, start with taking 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti, one tablespoon of mashed banana, after this add 1 tablespoon of curd, and then 1 tablespoon of honey. Now start mixing all these ingredients and form a paste. Friends, we have to achieve this texture. Now we will move on to our third face pack, which is for combination skin. And again, you have to take Multani Mitti, then the cucumber juice, which will refreshens and help balance both oily and dry skin areas. Then the aloe vera gel, that will give a very soothing effect on our skin and acts as a moisturizer. Then at last we have lemon juice. Lemon juice will help control oil from the skin and brightens the skin. Let's see how to make this also. Take 2 tablespoons Multani Mitti. Then add 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice. And 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. And conclude this by adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We have to mix all these ingredients to form a very smooth paste. Here we have our 3 face pack for each skin type. Now, depending upon your skin category, choose your right face pack and apply to your skin. Please leave it for some time and then clear it off. Friends, if you want to notice a unique change in your face, then would suggest to apply it daily on your face for 2 weeks, and you will be surprised with the results. Thank you so much for joining me. Stay radiant.